Ad baculum is a Latin phrase meaning literally to the stick. It refers to a logical fallacy, or in other words, a bad argument. In essence, ad baculum is using fear and intimidation to force your opponent to concede an argument, or at least to stop making that argument. There are many forms of this, 3 of which will be covered in this video. The first and most obvious form is using physical threats to force your opponent to acquiesce to an argument. For example, John argues that language is relative so long as people know what you're talking about. It doesn't matter if you pronounce GIF with a hard or soft G. Tim responds, "If you call it a GIF, I'm gonna punch you in the face." Tim didn't really respond to the argument. He just threatened physical harm to John if he didn't concede to his position. Another common form of ad baculum is using the force of one's authority or position to force an opponent to concede. John argues that using tabs during coding reduces file sizes and takes less energy to type. Therefore, we should institute that as a company policy. Steve, John's boss, responds, "If you use tabs while coding at this company, you will need to find another company to work for." Steve didn't really respond to John's argument. He merely threatened John's financial well-being as an attempt to force him to concede the argument. A third, and perhaps the most common form of ad baculum, is to use social consequences as a means of getting an opponent to concede an argument. For example, John argues that his opposition to certain laws are founded on the concept of individual rights balanced against the common good. Tim doesn't like the policies that John argues for, and instead states that, "Anyone who believes something so stupid is a wimpy bigot, and I'll do everything I can to let everyone know that." Tim didn't really address the argument John was making. He merely tried to induce shame in his opponent and the threat of social alienation as a means of getting him to give it up. There are many subtle forms of ad baculum. However, what unites them all is trying to use fear and intimidation rather than reason to win an argument. So just remember, threats are not an argument. We all do this on some level, so the next time you see this happening, especially if you agree with the conclusions, make sure to link them to this video. Also, make sure to like and subscribe.